In this video, I'll show you how to compress a PDF and reduce its file size. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to I Love PDF. Once the site loads, click on the Compress PDF tool. Now, click on Select PDF Files and upload the file you want to compress. After uploading, you'll see different compression options like Extreme, Recommended, and Less. Choose Recommended for a good balance between quality and size. Then, click on Compress PDF. Wait a few seconds while the tool processes your file. Once it's done, click on Download Compressed PDF to save the file to your device. You can then check your Downloads folder to see the reduced file size. And that's it. That's how you can easily compress a PDF online. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.